Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add products on Shopify. So you have finally decided that you would like to do some e-commerce and you want to do some drop shipping, or whether you would like to do some print on demand. I'll be showing you how to add products easily even as a complete beginner. The first thing you want to do once you have created your account on Shopify, which is completely free, you don't need a credit card or anything like that to sign up. Once you have signed up, you want to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap on apps. And the first example that I'll be showing you is how to add products from AliExpress onto your Shopify store. So you are going to select apps. After selecting apps, you are going to tap on all recommended apps. Once you have done that, you are going to scroll down and you are going to tap on Shopify App Store. In the Shopify App Store, I want you to tap on the search bar right here at the top and you are going to type in SUP Dropshipping. And by the way, there are numerous other platforms that you could use to import products from AliExpress, but I would recommend as a complete beginner, and if you are going to be using the free plan, that you use SUP Dropshipping. And the reason why I would recommend SUP Dropshipping is it is quite easy to use, it is beginner friendly, and also it is completely free. So you are going to tap on SUP Dropshipping. But if you don't like how SUP Dropshipping looks or how its user interface is, I've done tutorials on other platforms, for example CJ Dropshipping, Dizers, or Zendrop, as all of these platforms or better yet apps can be used to import products. But I would recommend SUP Dropshipping for a complete beginner. So you're going to tap on SUP Dropshipping, then you'll be led to the app page, and I simply want you to tap right where you see open app on my screen. You are going to see install app on yours. You are going to install the app. Once you have installed the SUP Dropshipping app, you will be redirected to this page. And your dashboard may look different from mine, so let me go back to the original dashboard of SUP Dropshipping. This is it. This is how your dashboard will look when you originally get started. Once on this dashboard, I want you to go over to the top right hand corner, right where you see My SUP. You're going to hover over that and you're going to tap on Dashboard. Once you have done that, it will carry you to your Member Center dashboard. Then I want you to open another tab and I want you to go onto aliexpress.com. Once on AliExpress, you are going to search for the product or products that you would like to add to your Shopify store. Once you have found a product that you like, for example, let's say I wanted to add this product, all I would need to do now, I'm going to copy the product URL. So let's copy the product URL real quick. Then we are going to go back into SUP Dropshipping and we are going to go over to the left-hand menu option. We're going to tap on Find Product. Then you are going to select Imported Products. After you have selected Imported Products, you can see some products that I have imported in the past. You will need to tap on the search bar right here and you are going to paste in the AliExpress URL that you had copied. And you are going to tap on Import Product. After you have done that, you are going to give it a few seconds. Meanwhile, SUP Dropshipping does its thing. Some of the time it may say that heavy traffic, but all you'll need to do is simply tap on Import Product once more, and you can do that until the product has been added. Or you could simply refresh the page and try again. So let me do that real quick. Once the product has been added, we'll continue the tutorial. Once the product has been imported, all you'll need to do now is tap on List It to Store. So let's do that real quick. Then I want you to go over to the top left-hand corner right below Store, and you want to ensure that you have selected your Shopify store. After you have selected your Shopify store, you can enter the price that you would like to sell it for. So let's say, for example, I would like to sell it for $15. I'll simply type in 15 right there. Then you can scroll down and you can see the different variants and you can select the variants that you would like to add to your store. Then you are going to tap on Images, and from here you'll be able to view the mockups. Then you can tap on product, and if you would like to edit the product name, you can do that. And you can also view the product description right here. Once everything is to your liking, you can also select the shipping method, so you can see the different times right there. Then you are going to simply scroll down and you are going to tap on list it now. This will normally take a few seconds to a few minutes, but once the item has been listed, it is now added to your store, and I will be able to show you the product. As you can see right here, it has now been added. So if I were to go back into Shopify, tap on the X right here to close out, then go over to the left hand menu option and tap on products. You will now see the product, as you can see right here. So if I were to tap on view it on store, you will see the product page, as you can see right here. Just give it a few seconds. This is how it looks, as you can see here. Now if you would like to add physical product to your store, let's say you're selling your own product, you could simply go into products, then tap on add product in the top left hand corner, and from there you'll be able to manually enter the product description and the product title. Now if you would like to do print on demand, meaning that you would upload your design and you could add it to t-shirt, coffee mugs, anything that you want, all you'll need to do is go over to the left hand menu option once more, tap on apps. After you have selected apps, you are going to select all recommended apps. Then from here you are going to scroll down once more, tap on Shopify App Store. Once you have selected Shopify App Store, you are going to tap on the search bar, and I want you to type in Printful. Let's do that real quick. Once you have typed in Printful, you are going to tap on enter. Let me type in Printful real quick right here. Or you can choose if you would like to use Printify. Again, there are numerous print on demand platforms that you can use, but I would recommend, based on my personal experience, Printful, as it is beginner friendly and it is easy to use and it is completely free also. So you'll simply tap on install, and then from there you'll be able to upload and add your design. And again, I've done tutorials on how to use this, so if you would like to do print on demand and you would like even more information, I'll be leaving a video link that you can watch. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.